conditions are unplayable.
Sticky situation.
Ah!
Shot. Go on!
He's having a bubble.
I'm matching an orange, like two M&M's.
So we're down at Dunton today. We're going to play the par 3. To make it a bit more interesting, we're going to do a little challenge. For point for hitting the fairway, 2 for hitting the green, 3 for a birdie,
yep.
2 for a par, 1 for a bogey, minus 2 points if you lose a ball, if you go in the rough, and then minus for a double bogey.
Where am I going?
Onto the green. Oh, he's done it. He's done it. Almost made a birdie. Having a field day over there, look. Great par. Get in. Rocket. Oh, what?
He's doing a toilet.
Winston in the background. Hey, low, damn it. Get in the hole. Here we need. Oh, sorry, mate.
I didn't see it.
Right.
Ah! Again.
Andrew!
Oh,
No,
over the back, mate.
there's a long wedge. That was probably a better shot than mine. Not probably, he was a better shot.
Go on. Onto the green.
Take a look.
Now.
Great shot.
Oh, he's done it.
Get in. So that didn't go as planned. But anyway, it's a good laugh. Very windy, very cold. Hope you enjoyed the video.
Well, you gotta say who won you.
I just did the mathematics. Lucas had beat me by 4 shots. Well done.
Thank you.
And then on our little private game, Lucas again beat me.
Go on!